My name is Kenny. Welcome to another exciting moment at Anston Rock Crochet. A big thank you to my special model for this DIY mega scarf for Christmas. You need your chunky, super chunky yarn. I got this yarn when I went to the knitting and stitch show many years ago. And you need your needle to sew in, 10mm crochet hook, and your scissors. This yarn is very soft. It looks like a candy cane, so it's very good for Christmas scarf. And the other one is very chunky and teal, one of my favorite colors. Make a slip knot, pass through the loop and put your hook through. Chain multiple of 2. I'll be chaining 14 chain stitches into the back loops of each chain. Make single crochets for 2 rows. Thank you so much for tuning in to Handstand Roll Crochet. If you haven't pressed that subscribe button yet, perhaps you're new here, you're welcome. Please feel free to press the subscribe button now. Thank you so much. After 2 rows, make single crochet into the first, single crochet into the second stitch, into the third, yarn over twice. You have 3 loops on the hook. Pass your hook through, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and you've made a triple crochet. Into the next, make single crochet. The one after that, make a single crochet. Into your third, make a triple crochet. Repeat this down the length. Your triple crochet will pop out like a popping candy, or like bubble stitch. This is all you need to make your DIY mega scarf for Christmas. It doesn't matter if it's Christmas Eve or you don't have anything in the bag for a loved one. You can quickly whip this in no time at all. And we all appreciate anything made by hands or any handmade projects. So for the next row, make single crochets down the length, turn over. When you reach the end, this is how it will be looking so far, just like a popcorn stitch. So we're making our triple crochet, and then into the next 2 make your single crochet. This is how it's looking so far. And that's it. After 10 rows, I'll be changing my color to my mega Christmassy yarn. You can carry on using the same color, but I want this to be a special Christmas scarf. So this is all you need to do. Just carry on repeating the pattern One row you have your popping stitch, which is your triple crochet, and mixed with your single crochet, and the next row you just have a single crochet row, and that is it. And have a great Christmas. We're glad you enjoyed that wonderful crochet tutorial from Hands That Rock Crochet. Kenny would like you to check out below. There are 2 boxes there for you, so click either one and feel free to have some more fun on Hands That Rock Crochet. And if you haven't subscribed yet, we're reminding you there's a button in the middle. Just press the subscribe button. Thank you.